Hello and welcome to our DIY tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to make organic cotton beeswax wraps, a sustainable and eco-friendly alternative to plastic wrap. These wraps are great for storing food and keeping it fresh. Let's get started. For this project, you will need organic cotton fabric, beeswax pellets, jojoba, or coconut oil, pine resin is optional, parchment paper, a baking sheet, a grater if using a block of beeswax, and an oven. Ingredients. In this video, we will be making 10 wraps. The size of the wraps will be cut to a size of 10 inches by 10 inches. Step 1. Cutting the fabric. First, we'll cut our organic cotton fabric into desired sizes. I'm using 10 by 10 inch, but feel free to choose your size. 1. Lay the fabric flat. 2. Measure and mark the dimensions. 3. Then carefully cut the fabric along the lines. Step 2. Preparing the wax mixture. Now let's prepare our wax mixture. 1. In a bowl, mix 1 cup of beeswax pellets. 2. 2 to 3 tablespoons of jojoba oil. 3. 2 tablespoons of pine resin. The resin is optional but helps make the wrap stickier. Step 3. Lining the baking sheet. Next, line your baking sheet with parchment paper and place your cut fabric on it. This will protect your baking sheet and make cleanup easier. Step 4. Applying the wax mixture. Evenly sprinkle the wax mixture over the fabric squares. You don't need too much, just enough to coat the fabric. Step 5. Melting the wax. 1. Preheat your oven to a low temperature around 150 to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. 2. Then, place your baking sheet in the oven for about 4 to 6 minutes or until the wax has completely melted. Step 6. Removing and cooling. 1. Carefully remove the baking sheet from the oven. 2. Use a brush to spread the wax evenly if needed. 3. Then, let the wraps cool and harden. Step 7. Final touches. 1. Once cooled, peel off your new beeswax wraps. They should be flexible and slightly sticky to the touch. Uses of beeswax wraps. These wraps are perfect for covering bowl, wrapping sandwiches, or preserving cheese and fruits. They are reusable and can be washed with cold water and mild soap. Warning: avoid heat and raw meats. With proper care, these wraps can last up to a year. When they start losing their stickiness, you can simply re-wax them. And there you have it, your very own organic cotton beeswax wraps. Not only are they easy to make, but they are also a step towards a more sustainable lifestyle. Thank you for joining me today, and happy wrapping.